make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Now, it's going to be sent. Oh, hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. I'm looking for an ironing board. Here it is, the very thing Katie from Kildare has ordered, an ironing board. Shall I show you how to pack it?
Good morning, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
I have some deliveries for you.
Great.
Today, you will be delivering bandages, a stethoscope, and lollipops to the doctor's office.
I'll be there, lickety-split.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Joe. My name is Sebastian.
Sebastian will help you with your deliveries.
Great.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sebastian. Who are you?
I'm Joe, and I'm feeling a little dizzy.
Are you sore?
Yes, my knee is sore. Oh, and my head.
Come on, I'll take you to the doctor.
Oh, great. Oh.
Let's love sign. Doctor. Doctor. You sign. Doctor. Good. Doctor.
Hello, doctor. I have a sore knee.
Joe, come on.
Oh.
Hello. What's the matter?
Joe fell off his bike and he has a sore knee.
Yes, I fell off my bike and I have a sore knee.
Okay. Right, I'll call the doctor. Sit in the waiting room.
Huh? Oh, oh.
The doctor will see you now.
Hello. Welcome to my office. How can I help you?
Joe fell off his bike and he has a sore knee.
Yes, my knee is sore.
Let's love sign. Sore. Sore. You sign. Sore. Good. Sore.
Can I take a look at your knee?
Yes.
Wait. I have no bandages.
I have bandages for you. Sebastian, will you help me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Now, let's get that knee wrapped up. Here we go. Now, oh, nice and tight. Perfect. Whew.
Perfect. Thank you.
While you're here, Joe, can I listen to your heart?
Yes.
You have no stethoscope.
Oh, yes. I lost one. I ordered a new one. Dizzy Deliveries will come today.
Wait. I have a delivery for you.
I'll get it. Your leg is still sore.
Thank you.
Wait here.
Okay.
I found this one. But it's a toy.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy,
Dazzy Day.
Good boy, thanks a million. That's great. Now, let me tell that was fantastic. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Hands up.
Okay, we're finished. Your knee and your head will be okay.
Joe, would you like a lollipop for being so good?
I would love a lollipop.
Go and ask the nurse for a lollipop.
Let's love sign. Nurse. Nurse. You sign. Nurse. Good. Nurse.
Hello, Joe. Are you feeling okay?
Yes, the doctor said I can have a lollipop because I was so good.
I'm really sorry, Joe. I have no lollipops left.
It's empty.
Wait here. Lollipops.
let me help.
Be careful! Oh no! I love lollipops.
My head is still sore. Hello, Aisling.
Hello, Joe. Did you make the deliveries to the doctor's office yet?
Yes,
Come back to the depot.
I'm coming, but it may take a while because I have a sore knee. Thank you for all your help, but I have to go back to work. Bye.
Goodbye, Joe.
Bye. Thanks again. Oh.
Wait, Joe. You forgot your device.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Hands up. Hello, hello. Here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello. Ozzy too. Our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A
You
sign to
sign.
say. Hands up. Dizzy, Dizzy, Hello, hello. Here is Joe. Hello, hello.
Where?
Ozzy too. Deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. I'm really strong. I think I'll exercise my big toe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Are you okay, Joe?
No, I hurt my big toe.
Maybe you should go to the hospital.
That's a good idea. I'll do my deliveries to the hospital.
That's good, Joe. Today, you will be delivering medicine, a blanket, and a wheelchair to the hospital.
Good.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Elsie.
Archie and Ray are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Great. Let's go.
Hands up! Hands up! Hello, hello, here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy too. Our deliveries to you. Hands up! Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Joe. Are you okay?
I'm looking for the hospital.
This is the hospital. Come on.
So this is the hospital.
Let's love sign. Hospital. Hospital. U sign. Hospital. Good. Hospital.
Now, Joe, lie down on the bed. No, Joe, turn around.
Oh,
No. All right, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
hello. I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, I'm Ray. I'm the radiologist.
I've hurt my big toe.
We're gonna have to take an X-ray of that.
What's an X-ray?
We'll take a picture of your big toe. Now lie down on the bed.
Let's love sign. Lie down. Lie down. U sign. Lie down. Good. Lie down.
Okay, Joe, let's take a look at this toe.
What happened to your head? Ew.
That's a serious toe situation. He's gonna need medicine. But we don't have any. We're waiting on a delivery.
Medicine? My first delivery! Wait here!
Shoe here. Don't forget your shoe.
Medicine.
That's not medicine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes!
Not!
Yes!
That's lemonade. Now, does your toe feel better?
No.
See? It's not medicine.
Don't worry. I know just what to do.
What?
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Daddy. Wow.
Hopefully this medicine will help my foot.
It's time for your X-ray.
Will it hurt?
No, Joe.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
Now, Joe, put your foot there. Not that foot.
See you.
That's better. Try and get it. That's perfect.
It's so tumble.
Don't move. Here we go.
No, Joe.
Okay. Come on, Archie.
See?
We'll go and we'll come back.
No.
Stay there.
Okay. Joe.
Joe, that chair's for children.
Let's love sign. Children. Children. You sign. Children. Good. Children.
Joe, get on the bed, please. Oh. We need to get you a blanket.
A blanket? My next delivery. Wait here. Loads of blankets. Archie.
Okay.
Ah, there he is.
Oh, sorry. Oh, blankets.
All you had.
No! My... No!
Stop, Joe. And let's look at your foot.
Oh.
So I give it.
I got scared.
Looks like you're gonna need a wheelchair.
A wheelchair?
Yeah.
My third delivery. Wait here.
You can walk.
Good news, Joe. Look, your x-ray's back and your toe's not broken.
Joe. Not walking.
Thank you, Archie. I've had a great day, but now it's time to go.
Come on, let's get an x-ray.
Okay.
Oh.
Hands up.
Let's go.
Hands up.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, hello, here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy too. Our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign.
You sign.
Sign to say, hands up. Dizzy, Dizzy, hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello, Ozzy too. Deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to show Joe. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
No problem at all. That will be with you soon. Bye. Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Oh, my tooth. I'm making magic sweets, but I just need more ingredients. Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. My tooth.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Joe, are you okay?
My tooth is sore.
That's lucky.
Lucky?
Yes, lucky, because today you are going to the dentist. You will be delivering a foot pedal, sunglasses, and doggy treats. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you. Lucy and Denise are waiting for you, and they will help you with your deliveries.
Great. Let's go. Let's go to the dentist.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Hello.
Hi.
You must be Lucy. I have some deliveries for you. Where is the dentist?
She'll be here soon.
Oh, I have to wait here.
Do you want to do colouring with me?
I like to colour. Yes.
Let's love sign. Colour. Colour. You sign. Colour. Good. Colour.
You give me the red one, please. And what colour will you take?
Blue.
Blue. Cool. Okay. Oh.
Is your teeth sore?
Yes.
Hello, Joe. I'm Dr. Smiley,
Hello, Dr. Smiley.
but you can call me Denise.
Denise the dentist.
I need a new foot pedal for the dentist chair.
A foot pedal? My first delivery. Oh, wait, here. Oh.
Lucy, will you come with me, please? That guy. We're gonna go in this room here.
Hello. Your teeth. Ah!
Joe!
Come on, Joe.
Joe, this is the dentist chair. It needs a new foot pedal.
Yes, my first delivery.
I've got to go help a patient next door, but Lucy will help you. Right, Lucy?
Yes.
Let's fix the chair. Okay. Thank you. Just need tape, please. Another hammer. Lucy, try the foot pedal.
Okay. Touch your nose. Are you okay?
Oh, yes.
Now the chair is ready.
Thank you.
Let's love sign. Chair. Chair. You sign. Chair. Good. Chair.
Oh, who's this lovely dog?
This is Canty. She helps people relax.
Lucy, can we go play ball?
Well, yeah.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
I love ball.
Have a ball. Go get it, Candy. Yes. Don't play with dogs.
Me too.
Oh, isn't it so fun?
Oh.
Ooh, Joe, let's take a look at that sore tooth. Oh, the light's very bright.
Do you have any sunglasses?
Joe, we need a delivery.
My next delivery. Wait, here.
Oh my goodness.
Glasses!
No, Joe, not those glasses. Sunglasses.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing.
But there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Dizzy.
Let's take a look at that sore tooth.
Yes, it is sore.
Let's love sign. Sore. Sore. You sign. Sore. Good. Sore.
Okay.
You have a delivery for the dog.
Yes! My next delivery!
I know. Oh.
Doggy treats. Good girl.
Time to take care of that tooth. Stay still, Joe. Do you want to take a look?
You're doing really well. I'm really proud of you.
All right. There you go, Joe. You're finished.
Thank you, Lucy.
Thank you, Joe. It's time to go.
Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye! Bye, Lucy!
Bye.
Bye! Bye, Canty!
Hands up. 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 Hands up.
Ah, that was a good day, Ozzy.